Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today we're diving into a topic that affects all of us, sleep. Specifically, we're answering the question, and guess what? The ideal bedtime actually changes depending on your age. So, whether you're a night owl or an early bird, stick around to find out the best bedtime for you. Before we get into the specifics, let's talk about why sleep is so important. Sleep isn't just about feeling rested. It's crucial for your physical health, mental clarity, and even emotional well-being. Poor sleep can lead to issues like weight gain, weakened immunity, and even mood disorders. So, getting the right amount of sleep isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. According to the National Sleep Foundation, the amount of sleep you need varies by age. Here's a quick breakdown. Newborns from 0 to 3 months need 14 to 17 hours of sleep. Infants aged 4 to 11 months require 12 to 15 hours. Toddlers 1 to 2 years old should get 11 to 14 hours. Preschoolers between 3 to 5 years need 10 to 13 hours. School-aged kids from 6 to 13 years require 9 to 11 hours. Teenagers aged 14 to 17 years need 8 to 10 hours. Adults from 18 to 64 years should aim for 7 to 9 hours. And older adults, 65 years and older, need 7 to 8 hours. So, depending on your age, your sleep needs will vary. But how do you translate that into a bedtime? Let's break it down. To figure out your ideal bedtime, you need to work backward from your wake-up time. Let's say you're an adult who needs 8 hours of sleep and you have to wake up at 6:30 a.m. That means you should aim to be asleep by 10:30 p.m. But remember, it's not just about being in bed, it's about being. So factor in some time to wind down and fall asleep. Now, let's get into the specifics. Here's a quick guide to the best bedtime based on your age group. Teenagers, 14 to 17 years. If you need to wake up at 7 a.m., aim for a bedtime between 9 p.m. and 11 p.m. Young adults, 18 to 25 years. With a wake-up time of 7 a.m., your bedtime should be between 10 p.m. and 11:30 p.m. Adults, 26 to 64 years. For a 6:30 a.m. wake-up, aim to be in bed by 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. Older adults, 65 years and older. If you're waking up at 6 a.m., try to be asleep by 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Of course, these are just guidelines. Your ideal bedtime might vary depending on your lifestyle, work schedule, and personal preferences. Now that you know when to go to bed, here are a few tips to help you actually get a good night's sleep. 1. Stick to a schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. 2. Create a bedtime routine. Whether it's reading, meditating, or taking a warm bath, find something that helps you unwind. 3. Limit screen time. The blue light from phones and laptops can mess with your sleep hormones, so try to avoid screens at least an hour before bed. 4. Watch what you eat and drink. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime. 5. Make your bedroom sleep-friendly. Keep it cool, dark, and quiet to create the perfect sleep environment. And there you have it, your guide to finding the best bedtime based on your age. Remember, sleep is one of the most important things you can do for your health, so don't skimp on it. Let me know in the comments what your bedtime is and if you're going to adjust it after watching this video. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you in the next one.